Stop accumulating dust. Start washing it away with water. The sustainable air washer, Q. Q is the next generation air washer that washes your air with water. Instead of traditional filters, it uses pure water itself to purify the air. Dry, polluted air is drawn into the device, where it first passes through the rain wash zone, recreating nature's rainfall. Using the Coanda effect, air and airborne pollutants are pulled in, instantly trapped, and flushed away by our water net. The finely dispersed water droplets interact with the air, providing natural evaporative humidification and purification at the same time. Clean, revitalized air flows back into your home, allowing you to breathe naturally fresh air every day. So what makes Q different? Standard filters hold on to dust, which can eventually become a source of secondary air pollution. By using fresh water every day, Q ensures that the air you breathe is always crisp and clean. Q's RainTec is inspired by nature's own water cycle. Nature. Integrating air purification and humidification into one system for ultimate indoor air control. Experience the crisp, refreshing air of post-rainforest with Q. Q uses only water, so you never have to buy replacement filters. Maintenance takes just 3 simple steps. Empty, rinse, refill. It's that simple. Q Air uses RainTec, a revolutionary way to wash air using water instead of filters. Applying the natural principles of water spouts, typhoons, and rain showers for powerful, safe purification. Using centrifugal force and vacuum pressure, it lifts water without any submerged motor pumps and finally disperses it to maximize the surface area, turning water into a dynamic filter. From fine dust to lingering odors, Q washes it all away perfectly. Clean every day, inspired by nature. Stop trapping dust. Start washing the air. Q Air Washer.